Hello, in this video, I'd like to go over my Charles Schwab individual stock portfolio account for the lifetime of this account so far. That is June 8th, 2022 through September 30th, 2022. It's been an interesting ride so far. It's almost been 4 months since I created this account. Again, I created it in June 8th, 2022, and this is a stock portfolio account made up of individual stocks that I picked individually. And it's an experiment for a variety of reasons. Learning how to invest, hopefully becoming good at investing, understanding the stock market, understanding how to make money work for you, not you working for money. And it's a way to document my journey, see if I can outperform the market, so to speak, as it pertains to like the common indexes like the NASDAQ and S&P 500. So it's both educational and hopefully entertaining to see how this works and to document my journey. And it has it has been both entertaining and educational so far early on in this brokerage account portfolio's life. Again, that's roughly 4 months. So let's look a little bit closer at my Charles Schwab brokerage account. So from June 8th through September 30th, I have lost $318. If you notice, I started off really good and I started getting very confident, like, hey, this investing thing's not so bad. It does work, investing. I am growing my money. Because as you see, like a staircase kind of thing going on. I increased my money. Now, some of this is when I contributed my own money. It's not all gains, but it has went up almost every single month during the lifetime of this account. June was when I started. July increased. By the end of July, I was looking really good, kind of flatlined some in August. Late August, I went up some more. September went up some more. But look at this right here. Right here is where the bottom, I don't know if the bottom falling out that might be too extreme, but we're going back down. And here from like September 12th, September 13th, through the end of September, it's been nothing but negative results in losing money. And so through the course of this account, so far, I've lost $318. And I would say the majority of the time I've gained money. So it's just here recently in the past 2 or 3 weeks of September is when I've actually lost money. So I started this account with $500. That was my initial deposit in this brokerage account. Since then, I've added $2,625 to this account, and I've lost money to the sum of $318.25, which leaves me an ending value of $2,800. Now, how do I feel about that? Well, yeah, nobody wants to lose money. But if I look at the big picture, more often than not, I have been up. I have did okay with this stock account. Just recently is where it's kind of went down. Hopefully it'll go up. Hopefully, and I know I pay attention to the stuff in terms of the Fed raising the interest rate. Well, that's why it went down. The interest report that came out around September 13th, I think, 12th or 13th, caused the stocks to go down. Not only my stocks, but anybody's stocks. And we'll look at that here in just a little bit, and I'll elaborate on that a little bit further. Now, here is where you see my rate of return. So I've had the course of this account minus 13%. So my rate of return's in the negative to the tune of 13%, which again, for the majority of this account's life, it's been either barely down like 1, 2, 3% or up 1, 2, 3%. I think I might have got up to 5% in the positive at one time so far. And you can check out my videos on this channel to see my journey here. But currently, it is what it is. I'm down 13% during the lifetime of this account. And as you see, I'm the light blue, and we'll talk about the common indexes here in a little bit, but my individual stock account is light blue. And so you see that basically I mirror the other common indexes. And so like the Dow Jones is the purple line, the NASDAQ's the green line, S&P 500 is kind of the grayish charcoal line, and the Russell 2000 is the orange line. So we pretty much mirror, or I pretty much mirror the common indexes. So it was around early August, things were looking really good, but eventually started going back down, and now we're currently here, which is down in the negative. So as you see, so basically from like July 26th or so through August 23rd, 24th probably, I was, had positive return, but now I'm in the negative 13%. I don't know what's bad. I think anything above 10 or anything below 10%, worse than 10% negative return is bad. I'm still new at this, so I'm going to look that up and see what the consensus is. I would think probably 20% people start panicking, maybe. I'm not going to panic because I don't mind losing this money, but I would think 20% is probably, the sirens and the alarms start going off. But 13% is still bad enough. So I wouldn't mind. I don't want anything to go above 10% as far as the negative. Now on the positive, that'd be great. The goal is to try to get 8 to 10% returns in the positive with this individual stock account. Now let's look at how this account performed against the common indexes, or some of the common indexes. Now let's look at the common indexes. Common indexes are things such as the Russell 2000, the S&P 500, Dow Jones Industrial Average, and the NASDAQ. As you see, I did pretty well. I've outperformed, or I didn't lose as much as the NASDAQ. I didn't lose as much as the S&P 500, but I didn't outperform the Russell 2000 or the Dow Jones Industrial Average during this time frame. But I feel pretty, I guess, good because it's pretty much all the same. Yeah, I mean there's slight differences, but not too drastic. So to me, I can feel pretty confident and like, all right, the stocks that I picked did just as well or not as bad as the common indexes. So that's my performance for my stock portfolio brokerage account, my Charles Schwab brokerage account where I individually pick stocks. Now, this has been around for about 4 months, and during that 4 months time, I've lost money, $318.25, and the rate of return is negative 13%. I'm going to look to see what a bad rate of return is on individual stock portfolio accounts, and I'm going to see when I should panic because I guess that's a plus being new to this. You don't know when it's bad. You don't know when it's good or really good. So I'm pretty naive when it comes to investing in stocks so far. So it's all a learning experience. So speaking of learning experience, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you want to follow along with me on this journey to getting good at investing and learn how to invest in stocks, I'd appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell. That way you get all the latest videos that show you how to get good at investing, how to make money, save money, invest money, and make money work for you and not you work for money so you can live life on your own terms. Thanks for watching this video. I appreciate you following along with this journey. There's no doubt in my mind we are going to get this in the positive when all said and done. Eventually, by the end of 2022, I want this to be $5,000 in this account. And the bigger picture, the main goal is to build this stock portfolio up to $100,000 over time. So thanks again for watching. I appreciate it if you subscribe, and all the best.